A tiny, fluffy white kitten, just waking up in the early morning light, rubbing its eyes with its small paws, sitting on a soft, cozy bed with light streaming through a window. A warm, peaceful atmosphere, pastel colors, gentle sunlight. Now carrying a small woven basket, stepping out of a wooden door into the bright morning, soft grass under its paws, gentle sunlight illuminating the scene. The kitten looks determined and adventurous, pastel color palette, cozy, peaceful vibe. In a lush green garden filled with fruit trees, standing on its hind legs and reaching up with a paw to pick a ripe yellow mango from a low-hanging branch. The small woven basket placed nearby on the grass. Sunlight filtering through the leaves, peaceful and magical atmosphere, pastel colors, highly detailed, adorable and heartwarming vibe. Walking back towards the wooden door, holding the small woven basket, filled with freshly picked ripe mangoes. The kitten's small paws tread carefully on the soft grass. Now in a cozy kitchen, standing on its hind legs, holding a small knife in one paw as it carefully slices a ripe mango into pieces. The slices are then placed into a sleek juicer nearby. The kitchen is warm and inviting, with soft light. The glass sparkles in the soft morning light, filled with the golden juice. The kitten's paws are steady, and it looks pleased with its work. Sitting on a cozy kitchen counter, with a small glass of freshly poured mango juice in front of it. The kitten, using its tiny paws, carefully holds the glass and takes a sip, looking content and satisfied. Now outside in the garden, standing by a small bird feeder and carefully scattering birdseed with its tiny paws. A few colourful birds gather around the seeds, chirping happily. The kitten looks content and peaceful as it watches the birds enjoy their meal, its tail swaying gently. The basket with mangoes from earlier is still placed nearby, and the soft sunlight continues to create a warm atmosphere. Now standing peacefully outside, gazing at the birds it has just fed. A soft, content smile appears on its face, reflecting its happiness. The sunlight bathes the kitten in a gentle glow, making its fur shimmer.